let's improve. In last video we discussed about silent letter A and B, and today we are going to discuss silent letter C, D and E. Today we will discuss about C, D and E. So first we will see silent letter C. Rules there given. Two rules are here. First is if letter C comes just before K, Q, then letter C will be silent. यानी कि अगर C लेटर जो है K और Q के पहले आता है तो जो है C साइलेंट होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट सेकेंड rule is if letter C come just after S or between S and E then C will be silent. यानी कि सेकेंड में बता रहा है कि अगर जो है C जो है S के बाद आए या S और E के दोनों के बीच में आएगा तो C जो है साइलेंट होगा. जैसे एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन लुक लाइक. फर्स्ट इज ब्लैक. इन ब्लैक देयर here C is before K, that's why C will be silent. And in this way again descend here C is silent because we are getting here after SC, that's why C will be silent. Again acquired, here also before Q we are getting, that's why C will be silent. Okay, adjust me here we are getting according to rule. If we see, then what is, if before J if we get D then it will be silent. That means here is J and before J here given D, that's why here D will be silent. And in this way here adjective, here also before J we are getting D before J, that's why D will be silent. Some others words also are here where we see that D is silent. Look there, handsome, Wednesday and grandson. Here in this word mostly people pronounce this words handsome, but actual pronunciation is handsome. Next is Wednesday, we mostly people say, but actual pronunciation is Wednesday. Next is grandson not, but it is grandson. Okay, so these are the words where we get D silent. Then E will be silent. यानी कि जो है कोई प्राय जो लेटर E है कोई वर्ड्स के अंत में आता है तो E जो है साइलेंट रहता है या साइलेंट हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर हियर गिवन. एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है राइट, हॉप, कम, काइट, हाइड, क्यूब एंड चेंज. दिस आर द एग्जाम्पल्स और words. Here we do not pronounce E because at the end of the words we are getting E. Look there, right, that means E, we are getting here E at the last time, that's why E will be silent. Here also hop, here also E will be silent. Come, here also E will be silent. Kite, here also hide, cube and change. That means this all E, that means in all words E will be silent. Again this rule, the silent letter of D I have an idea to keep these rules in our mind. Next video I will try to explain that rules, or next video we will discuss